we are looking at what is the meaning of a blue movie. What does blue movie mean? What do people mean when they talk about a blue movie? Well, let me tell you, it is not just a Smurf movie or a sad movie. No, this is the definition. A film that contains graphic sexual content. Indeed, this is a blue movie, a movie showing people having sex, essentially, aka a pornographic film is indeed a blue movie. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names and what they mean. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.